Hi, I'm Christina Irvine, and today we're here to talk about organizing your storage spaces. Now, we talked about this a little bit when talking about decluttering, but this goes just a little bit deeper, and there's a little bit more that we can do that's going to make a difference in how your home appeals to your new buyer. A buyer walking through your home can open anything that isn't a personal item. So for instance, they should not be opening any drawers on your dresser, your nightstand, etc. Opening a kitchen cabinet or going into closets is something that they're going to do because they're going to want to see all of those things in the home and how they've been taken care of and how they can see themselves fitting into those spaces. I'm all about telling you what perfect is and then letting you get as close as you can and as close as you're comfortable getting within reason and without overstressing yourself. But the neater and the closer we get to looking like what a model home would look like and creating space for the buyer to imagine themselves in your home, the more it's going to impact the sales price. Adding cute baskets to hold your items in your pantry and labeling them is one thing that makes your pantry feel magical to walk into, especially for those organization freaks. Removing items off of the floors in the closets, creating space on top shelves in closets, and organizing your clothes by color is the biggest way to make your closet look absolutely show ready and beautiful. Any loose items that are not stored away in a neat container, make sure to purchase containers for those items. But again, the best thing you can do for yourself is to pack away anything that you are not currently using on a daily basis to make sure that you've created the most amount of space and made it easy for you to not only show well, but keep it that way throughout the listing process. The closer your home looks to photo ready when we show it, the better the buyer is going to feel walking through your home. Realistically, selling a home for top dollar is all about creating emotion in the buyer. Anything we can do to make it feel good and feel neat and feel organized for them is going to help them make a neat, powerful, and organized decision on a purchase price and other terms for purchasing your home. In linen closets, you want to make sure that your towels are folded and stacked neatly. Any mismatched sheets and extra things should be packed away, or at least put into containers that disguise them. Again, making sure to remove things from the floor and keep the shelves neat and tidy where it actually looks like they have space to grow into, despite the fact that you may have already outgrown this home. It's important to think about who you were when you purchased your home, because realistically, that is probably who your buyer is. So if there's anything I didn't list in this video that you could think of that you felt when you were looking to purchase a home, make sure to include those things too. And feel free to share them with me so that I can use them to help other sellers just like you. And make sure to check out our next video on new home clean.